Hey everyone, let's talk about all of our new titles that cover feelings because I know that all of us have kids in our lives that are a little emotional at times. Am I right? Two new books that we have are What Are Feelings? That is a Look the Flap First Questions and Answers book. It talks about what makes us happy, sad, angry, scared, why do we worry, how do we deal with our feelings. These are all beautifully illustrated and answered in this super fun flat book. And then going a little bit more in depth is this book all about feelings, and it talks about how to handle our emotions and answer important questions about feelings in a lively and engaging way. We also have an awesome new series. It has 4 books in it. We have Grumpy Tortoise, Cautious Chameleon, and then there's also Steady Sloth and Scaredy Cat. And these are really awesome board books that just really talk about some of those first time feelings in a really easy to understand way for young kids to get a grip on those basic emotions. One of the awesome things about our Kane Miller books is that they're really great about taking things like feelings and emotions and putting them into a picture storybook form. Upside Down Sid is a book that covers being different and that being okay, and also inclusion. We also have this really great book that's going to be a favorite of a lot of you, Where Happiness Lives, and it's just about how things don't matter. It's how much love and caring there is in a home that makes it really special and happy. We also have this book that is kind of a spin on A Tale of Two Beasts. It's called Room on Our Rock, and there's 2 sides to every story. This book is super neat. You read it from beginning to end, and it means one thing, and then you read it from the end to the beginning, and it has a totally different story. So I really like this one too for teaching perspective. For everyone who loves Animally, we have a couple of new books from that author that y'all are gonna love. We have Once Upon a Timely. This is a perfect book that just talks about how much we love our children or whoever we're reading the book to, and of course using lots of references to amazing fairy tales. We also have I Love You Oceanly, and it is the same thing, but using references from the sea and our oceans. Super sweet. A personal favorite that I have here is The Book Without a Story. I love this because it really applies human feelings to books. And it really helps kind of develop that love for reading that we all hope that our kids have. It's about books in a library, and they all have stories about how kids picked them up and read them, but there is one book in the library that nobody ever picks up because he's too high up on the shelf. You can see him up there with a really concerned inside look on his face. So it really shows and teaches kids empathy, caring for others, and helping each other out. New book alert, we have these awesome illustrated books that are perfect for young readers or reading out loud to your kiddos that can't read yet. This is The Climbers, and just to show you a little bit of the inside so you see how amazing these illustrations are. These books are really fun. This one is a lyrical tale of friendship triumphing over fear. We also have Little Rabbit's Big Surprise, and this is a heartwarming story about helping others and spreading kindness. And then we have my personal favorite, The Missing Bookshop, and this is a warm and uplifting tale about the importance of reading stories and just how we can find so much of ourselves in books. Love these new books. For our older kids, sometimes it just really helps to write things out. We have a lot of different journals. This is a new one. This is Stargazer's Journal. So if you have a kid that really is into astronomy, this is the perfect book for them to journal in and just kind of dabble while really talking about all of the stars and stuff too. Okay, I told you guys that there are going to be some surprises, and one surprise is happening right now. So if you want to comment below and tell me what your favorite book is, definitely do that. But what I also want you to do is send me a quick message over Facebook Messenger. And when you do that, I'm going to reply to you with a party exclusive customer special that you will not want to miss out on. Bye.